Okay, you know how sometimes you just need to figure out a process, like right now?
Absolutely. No time to waste wading through manuals.
Exactly. So for this super quick deep dive, we're looking at how to check pending reviews. Simple procedural source.
Yep, very direct. Our mission is just to lay out the steps clearly.
All right, let's jump in. Step one, the source says starts with the MSG tab. Seems clear enough.
Right. And once you're there, you're looking for something specific. Review for pending. That's your cue.
That little notification, yeah. And when you spot that,
You just click the review button. That's it for getting started.
okay, nice and easy. So clicking that button, what happens next?
Well, the guide mentions a pop-up box appearing. That's your main workspace.
Ah, the pop-up. And what can you actually do in there?
That's the key part. Inside that box, you can review the content, you can edit it if needed, and then submit it.
All in one spot. Review, edit, submit.
Precisely. All contained within that pop-up window. Streamlines the whole thing.
Okay, so let's recap quickly. One, find the MSG tab, look for Review for Pending, click Review button.
Mm-hmm.
Two, use the pop-up to review, make edits, and hit Submit. That's basically it.
That's the core process laid out by our source. Just those two main steps. Very efficient design.
Yeah, really straightforward. So the takeaway for you listening is, if you encounter this kind of system, you know the drill now.
Exactly. No need to guess where to click next.
It kind of makes you think, doesn't it? How many things could be simpler?
It really does. That efficiency is something, well, maybe we could apply elsewhere.
For sure.